Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use VPN in Mozilla Firefox. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to start using VPN in your browser here in Mozilla Firefox, well, this one is going to be really easy. The first thing that you want to do is you want to open up Mozilla Firefox. Now, at the top right, you want to go and click on the 3-bar icon. Let's go and just click or press on it. And from here, you want to look for extensions and teams. So let's go and click on it. Now, in here, once you are inside the extensions page, you want to go and look for the option that says Get Extensions and Teams on addon.mozilla.org. Let's go and click on that link. Now, this will redirect you to the Firefox browser add-ons. Now, at the top right, you want to look for the search bar here and just type in VPN. And just search for any VPN add-ons that you may want to use here. So in this case, there are going to be a lot of VPNs that you can install here, so make sure to choose one properly. Now, in this case, you may want to check the reviews and see if it's actually worth it for you. Now, in my case, maybe I want to use VPN here. Let's go and click or press on it. Now, in here at the top right, go and click on Add to Firefox. And you want to go and just click on the Add option. And once it's actually added, you want to go and just choose the Pin extension to toolbar. Click on OK. Now, it's easily accessible to us. Now, at the top right, you should see the icon of your VPN of your choice. Go and click on it. And from here, you want to go and just allow a few things. Click on Accept. And once you've done that, it should now give you the option to start using it. Let's go and click on Continue and Start. Let's go and click on Continue with Free. Click on the option here to close this one. If you don't see that, you could go and select or click on the empty space here. Select your VPN. Click on No Thanks, Continue to Free. Go ahead and just choose your server here. And go ahead and just click on the On button or the Power button here. And that should enable your VPN. Now from here, you should be pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.